Regarding alternate, this is one side of the picture, but the effort is to make other fuels also available to the consumers. And so alternate fuel options are being activated to ease pressure on LPG and gas channels. On quarterly basis, Government of India does an allocation of kerosene to the states, and every quarter we are making an allocation of almost 1 lakh kiloliter. Today the order has been released and another 48,000 kiloliter of kerosene will be released to the state governments. And here again the role of the state government is very crucial in terms of identification of the beneficiaries and also the distribution. Other than that, Ministry of Coal has also issued a letter yesterday, and the directions have been issued to Coal India Limited and Singareni to allot higher quantities of coal to the state so that supplies can be made to the small, medium, and other consumers. Ministry of Environment, MOEFCC has also advised the state pollution control boards to permit for the duration of this crisis period the use of biomass, RDF pellets, kerosene, or coal as alternate fuel for hospitality and restaurant segments for 1 month, which would enable a wider range of establishment to switch and free up the LPG for priority consumers. The senior officials of oil marketing companies are in touch with all the state governments, and they have been directed to brief the state government on daily basis on supply situation, priority sequence, and enforcement framework. District level committees are being established to monitor the supply situation and to stop diversion.